their friends. Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, thanks for joining this today's open house session organized by World Peace University Goa. Myself, Dr. Nitin Kherkar. I am Dean Integrated Education and Upskilling. With me, my colleague Dr. Neeraj is also professor at World Peace University. Pune. So today's open house session is intended to make awareness about the very unique concept established by the MIT group of institution, that is transdisciplinary research. So this transdisciplinary research is fully activated in the new university established in Goa. We called it as a World Peace University Goa. Right? This transdisciplinary university has a very unique concept wherein the present scenario of education is not limited to only one discipline. Right? When it comes to a problem solving of the industry or society, a student must be equipped with the understanding of all the discipline, wherein whatever need of any discipline required to be included in solving the problem should be understood. So this is completely a problem solving approach wherein student will be make aware about the discipline, also aware about how to integrate different discipline to address the societal problem. Right. So to make awareness about this very unique concept of transdisciplinary education, which will be delivered in our newly established university at Goa, we thought that we should organize open house for students and parents wherein they will understand this transdisciplinary education. Today, likewise in Chennai, there are in 25 cities, World Peace University Goa has organized this open house session for the students and parents. Today at Chennai, we have already received World Peace University Goa. We are beginning with the few programs that especially includes the BTech Computer Science and Engineering. Then we have program in design. In that we have specialization integrated product design. We have specialization communication design. Another track of programs is psychology. We are offering BSc honors in psychology, and another discipline is Bachelor of Management Studies with honors in Bachelor of Management Studies basically. So these are the few programs we are offering at World Peace University Goa. With the intake as per the statutory norm, at some program we have intake of 60 students, at some program we have intake of 30 students, right? As per the permission given by the statutory bodies.